Hello, this is Zachary and
Benji.
And today we will be filming Nerf Gun Our Kids Vids video. We will be on separate sides of the field. We each have 3 bullets, and whoever gets hit first loses. Back down, please.
3, 2, 1, go.
Nice dodge. Yes! And that's all.